Hey y'all, I just wanted to show you some of my forestry projects that I work on and what can be done with an ATV, with a 25-gallon spot sprayer, a backpack sprayer, and a tractor bush hog that has a front end loader on it. All this is next to a large creek. It's hard to tell there's one over there. And it was just a mess of privet and just a jungle. So I would bush hog and make little cuts, little clear cut rows, and then come back in here with my backpack sprayer or the four-wheeler and knock it down with that. All right, so there's my little tractor I use, and this is my latest little area I've been working on. And a lot of that was done with a backpack sprayer to first kill it, and then I take my tractor and roll it up and bush hog it. But it can be done, y'all. Just keep up the good work, keep up the faith. It's not going to be an easy process. It's going to take a couple of years to 3 years to get this far, but I do obey the SMZ laws. There's no big canopy trees taken out right here, but you can see there's some erosion, but that's been there for a long time. But 50% canopy is what's got to remain, and see they're basically touching. So, but do follow your local and state regulations. There was a bunch of climbing fern in here. I tried to not mess with that. I keep treating it. It's some bad stuff, y'all. And it just takes over trees and will shade them out. But I hope to plant some chestnuts in here once I get it open enough, at least 3. That's just an invasive Chinaberry right there that has taken over this little bottom. And you can see over there all that dead stuff. That's from backpack spraying for the most part, until some stuff I missed. But there's a little gully right there that I can't get across from this side, so I got to come from the other side now to work on it. But I think it's a 25% garline mixture. That's according to what the label is, and the concentration of the chemical. So triclofer is the active ingredient. So check with your label on that. That's for the backpack, what they call a basal spray, where you spray about a foot up all the sides of the tree to kill it. And that's a really good way to kill a lot of stuff. Labor intensive, but you can kill some large trees like that. And if the bark's thin enough, if it's an undesirable species. And I personally don't like privet. That was my main target, and the Chinaberry. So it's something that I worked on laboriously. But it's very enjoyable out here by yourself. Just you and the Lord walking around. So after we get a good rain right here, I'll come back here and look for some rocks on the ground. Well, as always, may the Lord bless y'all.